this whole event was so special because all these times we have had different conclave, different conferences that is only focused on research, so useful only for research scholars and tourism academicians, but not for students. So this was the first time in India that this type of thing was happening, which was solely focused on tourism students. This concept was pitched by DETOR to me, and then I took it to my department, and then the department to the university, and finally with a lot of efforts and hard work by DETOR and the Department of Tourism Management, this event was possible to happen. And overall, it was a great opportunity for all of us, including teachers, scholars and students, to learn so many things from the professional point of view. Thank you.
DETOR, which organized this first Students Tourism Conclave, is one of the best experience in my life, because we find opportunities for faculty members and research scholars through seminars and conferences. This Students Conclave give an opportunity to share their reviews of students, to come out with new ideas, to explore their future plans, and share it among in a wide platform. DETOR has done a good job bringing 15 campuses across India in its first conclave. So in future, I look forward for similar occasions where students get benefits and they can grow themselves in their academic career. And we will be looking forward for DETOR for internship assignments or sharing innovative thoughts and taking students' life to next level of their achievement. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to be here the first tourism student conclave, which is being hosted by Indira Gandhi National Tribal University and organized by DETOR. And it's a 2 full days. The whole day was packed, and we had plenty of learning things happening. Students are going back with a lot of insights and inputs, and definitely this is one thing which every student tourism aspirant should look for, and I'm sure the organizing will very best, and we look forward to more such events in the future. Thank you one and all.
Over here for the first international conclave for the students organized by DETOR and the university over here, and it was a very great experience. I've been experiencing it since 2 days for students as well as for the faculties. For students, it's a great opportunity because first day they could interact with all the faculties over here, get all the knowledge about in the education field, and second day from all the people from the business background, and they got to know about a lot of opportunities which is there in the market for their jobs and everything. And I hope the next time, the next conclave, they get to know about more such things and the more platforms and more people now. Thank you so much.
I'm pleasantly surprised to attend this conclave, and it's one of the unique initiatives in tourism education. I prefer that we should learn every year, and I would like to promote it next year through my institute IIT Indore. I will also suggest that addition could be made towards making it HR Mahakumbh, so that placement company can exploit the available talent and train qualified people.
इस वर्कशॉप में, इस स्टूडेंट कॉन्क्लेव में मैं एज ए कोऑर्डिनेटर काम कर रहा था, और मैं हमेशा टूरिज्म के स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में सोचता हूँ। इस इवेंट के कोऑर्डिनेटर के रूप में मैंने शुरू से सोचा था कि हमारे स्टूडेंट को इससे क्या फ़ायदा मिलेगा और जो बाहर से स्टूडेंट्स आ रहे हैं उनको क्या फ़ायदा मिलेगा। तो शुरू से हमने ये देखा कि क्या जो बच्चे डिपार्टमेंट में पूछते हैं कि वो कैसे इंडस्ट्री में जाएंगे, उनको जॉब्स कैसे मिलेंगी, सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर कैसे होगा, वो कैसे रिटेन करेंगे इंडस्ट्री में, उनका कैरियर ग्रोथ कैसे होगा, मेरा हमेशा फोकस इसी बात पर रहता है, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड पेपर ही बच्चों को पढ़ाता हूँ। फर्स्ट डे मैंने यही कहा, और मुझे लगता है कि 2 दिन में हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिले होंगे। उनको लगता है कि अब वो इंडस्ट्री में जाने के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छे से अपने आप को तैयार कर पा रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
really we are very grateful to Betor, who has organized the nation's first students tourism conclave. In this conclave, students got an opportunity to know what is the ever-changing business environment, and that too with the help of practical exercises. They have done many hands-on exercises, as well as they did my business plan, entrepreneurship development, my future generations concept, and all this developed the inner conscience and the hidden talent of the students.
I had the opportunity to attend the first student conclave organized by Detour at Amarkantak University. The panel, after attending the conclave, I came to know lot of new updations which were happening in and around the industry. The panel discussions on various topics, for example, the transition from campus to connect, the panel discussion on internship, whether it's really necessary for the students and what should be the duration of the internship, the discussions regarding to the unexplored avenues of the domestic tourism in India and the research cell, all were an eye-opener for all of us, not only for the academics, people belonging to the academics section, as well as for the students also. I guess this should continue. The Detour people, I really thank the Detour people for arranging this conference, and I wish they should continue this every year, so the students can learn more about the industry.